Thank you for tuning in to Good Money Mondays on IMFGTV. Practical financial literacy for practical people. I'm your host, Kelly Tanalis. Let me tell you something most people don't know. If you're struggling with credit card payments, there are other options available to you. We all know life be lifing, right? Job changes, medical bills, inflation, unexpected expenses. Hence the reason it's unexpected. And credit card companies already know this. That's why they have hardship programs. A hardship program is when your credit card company temporarily lowers your interest rate, reduces your monthly payment, waives fees, or creates a short-term payment plan. The goal is simple. Keep you paying something instead of falling behind totally. You should ask for hardship help if you're barely making your minimum payments, interest is eating your balance, you've had a loss in income, you're using credit cards to survive. Now, the worst time to call is after you've missed your payments. So, when you realize that you're in trouble, you want to be proactive and not reactive, right? Here's the right way to do it. First, call the number on the back of your card, ask for the hardship or retention department. Be honest and calm, not emotional. Explain what changed in your finances. Ask specifically, are there any hardship programs, payment plans, or interest reductions available? Some programs temporarily lower your interest from 0 to 10%, freeze your card while you pay it down. That could last about 3 to 12 months. It isn't a punishment, it's really a reset. Always ask, will this affect my credit score? Will the account be reported as current? When does the program end? All right. And of course, most importantly, you want to get this in writing, right? Because documentation beats conversation. Asking for help isn't a weakness. It's financial maturity. You don't win by struggling silently. You win by using strategy. If you're overwhelmed by credit card debt and don't know where to start, get help. Call 954-751-8533 or visit www.keys2goodcredit.com. This has been another episode of Good Money Mondays, practical financial literacy for practical people. I'm your man, Kelly T. Stay tuned for next week for another episode of Good Money Mondays. 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 Peace.